Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss program number 10B, that is traveling salesperson problem. Then in the traveling salesperson problem, you have to find out a salesperson starts his journey from one place or a city, then visits all the cities or places and return back to the original place or the original city. Then you have to find out the optimal path to start his journey from one place to all the places and return back to the original place. Then in this program we can implement traveling salesperson problem using dynamic programming. Then let's start with import java.util.scanner is a input you are using for your program. Then public class lab10b is a class name. Then public static void main string args. Then first you have to declare one array variable called as cost matrix as c of new integer 10 by 10, then tour new integer 10. This will represent the shortest path or the shortest tour from the source vertex to all the vertices and again return to the original vertex. Then scanner in new scanner system dot in integer I comma j comma cost. Then just display the message as traveling salesperson problem using dynamic programming. Then system.out.println enter the number of cities or the places. Then integer n is equal to in dot next integer. Then if n is equal to 1, if the city entered is only 1 or the node value is only 1, then display message as path is not possible, then exit from the program. The next, enter the cost matrix by using for loop. For I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n I plus plus. For j is equal to 1, j is less than equal to n j plus plus. Cost of ij is equal to in dot next integer. Then read the cost matrix for this given problem. Then next, system.out.println display the entered cost matrix as for I is equal to 1, I is less than n I plus plus. For j is equal to 1, j is less than n j plus plus. System.out.print c of ij. Display the values of all the cost matrix entered. Then then for I is equal to 1, I is less than n I plus plus, tour of I is equal to I. Then as you all know that in the dynamic programming we assume that the salesperson starts his journey from the last vertex or the last city and return to the first city to find out the optimal path. That's why you have to initialize all the tour value I is equal to I, that is the last city. Then you will get the minimum cost or the shortest path from source vertex to all the cities, all the places and return to the original place by making call to the function tsptp, that is traveling salesperson using dynamic programming, and pass the parameters as the cost matrix, then the tour, then the starting city or the starting vertex 1 and the number of vertices n. Then with this function you have to make call to this tspdp function with the 4 parameters as cost matrix, tour value, then the starting point, starting vertex and the number of vertices or number of places. Then next, display system.out.println the accurate path is, that is the path from the source vertex to all the intermediate vertices. For I is equal to 1 to I is less than n I plus plus, system.out.println and every time display the tour I value, that is the city he has visited. Then the system.out.println 1, then system.out.println the accurate minimum cost is cost value. Then next, jump to this function, that is traveling salesperson using dynamic programming with the parameters as cost matrix c, the tour value tour, or it is the intermediate vertices the salesperson want to visit, then the starting vertex and the number of vertices. Then integer minimum tour is equal to new integer, temp is equal to new integer, minimum cost is equal to 999. Then the c cost I j k, declare these variables for calculation. Then if the starting value is equal to n minus 1, that is nothing but there are only nodes, then you can return the journey from the tour n minus 1 comma tour n plus cost of tour c comma tour of n comma 1. Otherwise if I is equal to start plus 1, that is the starting point, plus 1 comma I is less than equal to n I plus plus. For j is equal to 1, j is less than equal to n, j plus plus. Temp of j is equal to tour of j. Then temp of start plus 1 is equal to tour I. Then temp of I is equal to tour of start plus 1. Then you have to exchange the values and start journey from the next vertex. Then if tour of the cost matrix of tour of start comma tour of I plus the CC cost of, once again you have to make call to this traveling salesperson function with new parameters as C temp start plus 1 comma n, and if this value entire value is less than the minimum cost, then minimum cost is equal to cost of tour start from the tour I plus CC cost. Then for k is equal to 1, k is less than equal to n, k plus plus, then minimum tour k is equal to temp of k. Then next display for I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, I plus plus, then tour of I is equal to minimum tour of I, and finally return the minimum cost. Let us execute this program with some samples. Then say that these are the graph given for your traveling salesperson problem with 4 vertices, and this is the distance matrix or the cost matrix for the given traveling salesperson problem. Then you have to execute this with these values. Then enter the number of cities 4. Then next enter the cost matrix as 0, 10, 15 and 20. 0, 10, 15 and 20. Then the next is 5, 0, 9 and 10. 5, 0, 9 and 10. Next is 6, 13, 0 and 12. 6, 13, 0 and 12. And the last distance matrix for this given matrix is 8, 8, 9, 0. 8, 8, 9, 0. This is the cost matrix for this given traveling salesperson problem with 4 places or 4 cities. Then the entire cost matrix is 0, 10, 15, 20, 5, 0, 9, 10, 6, 13, 0, 12, 8, 8, 9, 0. This is the cost matrix. Then the accurate path or the optimal path the traveling salesperson should follow starts his journey from the city 1, next visit city 2, next visit 64, next visit the next place as the 3, and finally return to the 1. This is the optimal path you have to follow, and when you follow this optimal path, the distance or the minimum cost is 35 as shown in this given example. In this given example, minimum cost is 35 and the optimal tour is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3 and 3 to 1.